What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again, man. We live. We live. We live. We live. Let me get my chat right. Make sure everything right. We live trading today, baby. Live trading today. I'm gonna just go through some pre-market things that I do. Right now I got SPY and QQQ pulled up. So to be honest, I just wanna trading is lonely, man. People don't know that trading is lonely. You kind of need some people with you, man. You want a team because everybody don't trade, you know what I'm saying? So I want to build a small community. I want to build a small community with this trading stuff, man, because trading is lonely, man. You be by yourself, your friends don't want to trade. So might as well start it on YouTube. So I want to build a small community on YouTube. Trading. I do this every day, 9:30. I'm on the clock. 9:30, I'm trading every day. So we're gonna be doing a live market today, man. We're gonna see what we can snag, what money we can snag today, man. And I'm just walk y'all through what I do. I'm really doing this just so ooh, look at Google. I'm really doing this because I like to journal my trades. I like to go back and see what I did wrong. So this is a great way for me to go over my trades myself. You know what I'm saying? So give me 1 second. Let me make sure this audio coming in and we're gonna be good to go. We got 2 minutes to the market open. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We coming through. Got 1 minute for the market to open. Let's go, baby. About 30 seconds. So usually when the market opens, I don't just jump in the trade. I want to sit. I want to make sure we got a good trending day. If you don't know, if you haven't watched my last video, the market is open right now. But if you haven't watched my last videos, make sure I find a trend. After I find a trend and I find my entry point, I'm gonna just show y'all how I do this, man. Let's see what we got today. What's going on in the market today, man? Got NVIDIA going under that 137 level. That's the same level they hit. I got burned on that level yesterday. So I'm gonna stay patient with NVIDIA today because I got burned on the video yesterday. I ain't gonna lie. Microsoft. All right, so y'all see how Microsoft is pushing past the previous day. Let me go to Microsoft right quick. All right, y'all see how Microsoft, those two green lines are my yesterday's high and a pre-market high. As you can see, Microsoft is going past those levels. So I'm gonna watch Microsoft for an entry if we can hold above those highs. I'm just looking, scoping the market. That's all I'm doing right now. Tesla, not really doing that right now. AMD pulling back. Microsoft. Y'all see Microsoft. Microsoft ain't playing. So we can get a pullback on Microsoft. I'll enter Microsoft. I am QQQ weak. I got Amazon holding the pre-market low. Staying patient, baby. Staying patient, man. That's the name of the game. Stay patient. You got to stay patient. AMD kind of weak. Tesla ain't did nothing. Jeff Bezos worth 400 billion. Let's see how that Tesla looking today. Take my pivots off. And if y'all get confused about all these indicators, I can break all this down. You can just give me a comment. I can break all this down for you. Damn, I missed my entry on damn Microsoft. Fuck. But it's okay. I don't see any really big moves yet. Only thing I see is Microsoft taking off. Damn. Microsoft is up 4% today. Let me see what Microsoft talking about, man. Dang, I missed my entry though. Missed my entry to Microsoft. Oh, I can still get in. Let me get on Microsoft. Let me get on Microsoft. Microsoft calls. We're gonna choose the 455 calls, and I will let you know when I enter. And I'm in right now. I'm in Microsoft right now. Fine QQ is weak, but we're gonna see what Microsoft do. It's holding it's holding the level. Let's see what Microsoft does. My stop loss is below the pre-market high and yesterday's high. That's my stop loss. My stop loss is below this candle right here. I'm in the trade right now. Right now, I'm down 5%. It is an early entry, but I seen it. I couldn't resist. I ain't gonna say I can't resist, but is looking good. You know what I'm saying? And SPY and QQQ is reversing, so that is a good sign right there. If Microsoft comes down and retests, which I could have waited for it to come back and retest, we're just gonna hold tight. It looks like it wants to retest right now. So we're gonna hold tight. My stop loss is right 450 level. So we at 452 right now. It is holding pretty good. So let's see what we want to do. Let me bring my pivots up, see where it's trying to go. You can get by this next pivot right here, we'll be good to go. I'm down 1% right now. Let's go, Microsoft. What you want to do? Pulling back. Microsoft pulling back. Hopefully we can tap this VWAP. If we can tap this VWAP, we'll be off to the races. I'm down about 12% right now. We are holding pretty good. What does SPY want to do? SPY look like it's trying to be weak today. Microsoft is holding. Oh my God, AMD kind of taking off today too. I'm down 2% on Microsoft still. As y'all can see, Microsoft is holding the level. It hasn't hit my stop loss yet. So I'm just holding. There's no reason to get out the trade if it hasn't hit your stop loss. As y'all see, QQQ is gaining some bulls. So that's a good sign. If we can get past VWAP over here on SPY, we'll be good to go. I'm still in Microsoft. I'm down 14% right now. Hopefully we don't reject this VWAP on QQQ. But if Microsoft hits our stop loss, we'll just get out and we'll find another entry to something else. Microsoft has been on, oh my God, AMD taking off. Microsoft has been on a bull run. Oh my God, Tesla dropping off. Come on, Microsoft, what you want to do? Hopefully we don't hit the stop loss right now. Everything trying to reverse, but we still holding our level, so I'm gonna just hold tight. We're still holding our level. Hopefully we get this bounce off of VWAP right there. Get that bounce off of VWAP. And we hopefully we'll be off to the races. SPY and QQQ held real good on that little small red candle. As you can see, the green candles are bigger than the red candles, meaning bulls should be still taking advantage of the move. So we're gonna wait and hold tight and see. I'm down 20% right now. Let's go, Microsoft. What you want to do? Is Microsoft at all-time highs? I think Microsoft is around all-time. Yeah. Okay, we got to bounce off of VWAP. So let's see what we want to do. Got to bounce off of VWAP. Let's go, Microsoft. Google's taking off. Go Microsoft. Down 10% right now. Look like it's gonna be a small chop day if we can't get past any of these yesterday's highs. I'm down 5% right now. Let's go, Microsoft. What you want to do? What you want to do, Microsoft? I rejecting off of that 200 moving average right there. If y'all see that orange line, that's the 200 moving average. That's the moving average you don't want to be in contact with in a trade. I don't mess with the 200 moving average. All right, we up 1% right now. There we go. We up 3%. What you gonna do, Microsoft? Still holding. I haven't trimmed anything yet. Let's go. All right, we up 6%. I'm gonna take a small trim right here. See what Microsoft want to do. QQQ is holding the hell out of pre-market. Microsoft, we up 2% right now. Microsoft is holding this high. Oh, Microsoft. Ooh, Apple. Apple looking ugly. Tesla looking ugly. The rule when I had first started, I used to wait. I used to wait 40. We up 6% right now. I used to wait about 45 minutes until I'm like, not 45 minutes, my bad, 15 minutes. I used to wait about 15 minutes because I had a problem with jumping in trade real early. We up 12% right now. We up 12% right now. Let's go. Can we break them highs? There we go. There we go. 13%. There we go, Microsoft. There we go. I'm take a small trim. All right, I ain't got nothing but runners in right now. Runners, stop loss, break even. Stop loss, break even. So my break even point is about right here. Let me fix that. Stop loss is right here. Stop loss is right there at that counter where I entered at. It's playing at these highs right now. It's playing at these highs right now. It's gonna be choppy today. Man, Tesla puts. I don't like getting in two trades. I'm gonna wait. But Tesla puts is looking sexy. Tesla puts is looking sexy. Amazon puts. Oh, Microsoft, what you want to do? What you want to do, baby? Come on, Microsoft. Netflix is taking off. Microsoft want to play. It might hit my stop loss, but we already up. So it hit my stop loss. It'll be all right. We still up 4% right now. Stop loss is at my entry point. Stop loss is break even. Already trimmed. We up 9% right now. And to be honest, I don't try to get 100% trades every day. I'm gonna try to get 50% trades every day. I'm trying to get 20, 30, 40%. You know what I'm saying? I'm good with that. We up 6%. I'm good with that. I'll be good for the day. You know what I'm saying? Because what job can you make? What job can you go to and you make like right there? Y'all just seen me live trade. Market open 15 minutes ago. I'm already up a couple hundred. You know what I'm saying? What job can you go to and do that? You know what I mean? Right now we up 4%. Netflix dropping off. Microsoft gonna hit my stop loss. If it hits my stop loss, I'm out of here. What you want to do, Microsoft? I'm out of Microsoft. We'll wait for another trade. I'm out of Microsoft. We didn't get none, but by 6, 7%. But we're gonna wait. See what else looking good, man. What's looking good? So you guys know if I'm in a trade, I just bring it up like that. That's one small trade. I like to get the. I don't know. It's something about that first trade. That first trade, when you get that first trade green, it's like, you know what I'm saying? Microsoft bouncing off VWAP again, but I'm not even gonna entertain it right now. That's one thing I learned. If the play ain't looking like you thought it was gonna look, just leave it alone. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm finna watch Tesla because Tesla looks like it's pulling back. But as y'all can see, man, it's a chop day. And I am on a 2-minute chart. Why do I use the 2-minute chart? I use the 2-minute chart the first 30 minutes because if I'm on the 5-minute chart, it's not gonna show me enough candles to give me a reason to get into a trade. You know what I'm saying? And to be honest, it's okay not to trade. You know what I mean? That's one thing you gotta learn. It's okay not to trade. That was a good exit on Microsoft. Cool. It's retesting yesterday's low. Let's pull up Apple. Oh yeah, let's pull up Apple. Apple. There you go. Apple. Apple puts. Ooh, there's my entry. 245. Let's say 242. Got 242 straight calls, but I'm not in yet. Give me 1 second. I'm not in yet. I wanted to break real hard. I want to break. I wanted to break. So this red line right here is my yesterday's low. The red dotted line is my pre-market low. So I wanted to break that level. If it break that level, I know we'll have a good move on that. It looks like it's about to break right now. But man, it's breaking. I should have got in. Oh man, I should have got in. Oh my God. Damn Apple. But I'm okay with watching it. I'm okay with watching it. I took so many L's before, man. I'm okay with watching the chart. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna take a lot of L's sometimes. It's the part of the game. You win some, you lose some. Netflix. Ooh, woo. Netflix looking good. Apple finna go, man. Finna go. Y'all see Apple. Mark my word. Apple finna go. I'm not in Apple though. I'm not in none of that yet. The market look real choppy. If it's choppy like this, to be honest, if it's choppy like this for the next 30, 45 minutes, It's not a good day. Y'all see how I keep going up and down? It's staying in range. The chart don't want to go nowhere. You don't see really big moves. That's how you know it's gonna be a chop day. Chop day, you don't want to trade a chop day. See, everything's reversing again. I wouldn't even consider that a pullback because we haven't had a big move. You know what I'm saying? But Tesla looks like it's about to drop off. Look at Tesla. We're bouncing off 9 EMA. I'm glad I didn't enter that. I'm glad I didn't enter that Apple right there. You see how it's bouncing off that 9 EMA, that line running down? That's the 9 EMA. The moving averages of the last candles, um, the video did the same thing it did yesterday. The video did this yesterday. Got burned on the video yesterday by that right there. Let me go to Tesla. Tesla reversing again. So as y'all can see, there's nothing going on in the market. Nothing going on. That chop, you don't want to trade that. So 10 o'clock, I'll move to the 5-minute candle. You don't want to trade that chop. AMD, Tesla still chopping around. Let's see if what Tesla doing. Is Tesla reversing? Let's see. There we go. There's SPY. Let's see what Apple doing. Well, still pulling all the way back. That's too hard of a pullback for Apple. I don't even want to do it. Only thing looking good right now is this Tesla. If we can pass these, I'm gonna hold tight on Tesla. I'm gonna hold tight on Tesla. Bouncing off of, okay. There we go, Tesla. Go ahead. Go ahead if you're gonna go. So the market was like this Monday. It took a while for us to get a big move, and that's okay. Just wait your turn. There go Tesla. There's QQQ. But watch it chop right back up. Got SPY trying to go back below yesterday's low in pre-market. Right there's Tesla. I'm not in a trade yet. If Tesla can get past this consolidation right now, it'll be a good entry. That's an entry right there. Let me see what Tesla contracts looking like. Tesla still chopping around, chopping around. If SPY breaks this pre-market low, I want to look for an entry for SPY also. Pivot point. Reversing a little bit. Amazon. Yep. I see Tesla going back up, right? Tesla is going back up. So yeah, it's chop day. It's chop day this first 30 minutes. So after 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., I do move to the 5-minute chart. That was a good exit on Microsoft. Microsoft still playing around. Yeah. So we ain't really seen no big moves yet. All right, Tesla. You ready now? You doing, Tesla? Let me use my Fibonacci. Use my Fibonacci to see. Not really a big move, but so how I use my Fibonacci. So the first red line right there that you see, this one right here, the 0.2 level. If anything bounces off that level and keeps going, continuing down or continuing up, if you the other way, it's gonna be a strong trend. Anything bounce off the 0.382 level, it's gonna be a strong trend. So as you can see, it's bouncing off the 0.382 level, but everything is choppy right now. So I'm not even gonna touch nothing right now. Like I'm just chilling. I don't want to touch nothing. Microsoft, y'all want to take off now? Look at Microsoft. Microsoft. Look at Microsoft. I told you it was gonna retest, but it retested a long time. So it's 10 o'clock now, so I'm moving on all 5-minute candles. 5-minute candles. I need 5-minute candles. Minutes. Microsoft. Oh my God. Why you do this to me? QQQ is child B. All right, child B. You don't want to trade that. Y'all see that, man? You don't want to trade that. Do not put your money in something that look like that. You don't want to trade that. Microsoft, why you want to do this to me? Why? What did I do to you, Microsoft? I should have waited on the retest. That's me being impatient. Small mistake. Apple looks like they wanna. Oh, that's Netflix. Okay. Apple looking good. I'm not even gonna mess with Microsoft. You got it. I got my couple hundred off of you. Where is I need Apple? I see Apple. As you can see, Apple wicked off and it's coming back down below pre-market low. So if we can get a big move under that level, we can find an entry. But right now, we just staying patient. We just staying patient. Patient is key in this. Nothing is looking good. If nothing don't look good, don't get in. That's how you burn yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's how you burn your money up in the market. You see nothing, do nothing. See nothing, do nothing. I don't see nothing that's looking good. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Spot act like it wanted to go down, went right back up. Don't want to do nothing with that. And I do trade 11 stocks, guys. I trade 11 stocks. I trade SPY, QQQ, Amazon, NVIDIA. I trade Microsoft, Google, Apple, Netflix, AMD, Meta, and Tesla. So those are the stocks that I do trade. I only trade those 11 stocks. I focus on those 11 stocks. Mm, it's looking ugly. Microsoft going good. They waited on the retest. Tesla just reversed like a mug. Tesla reversed. Look at Tesla. We can get past open price. I'll be looking at Tesla. Open price is that yellow line right there. But right now, staying patient. Microsoft. Y'all look at Microsoft, man. I should have stayed in Microsoft. But my strategy, I follow my trend. I follow my strategy. Follow my stop loss. You have to, or you're gonna get hurt in the market. There's Apple. Netflix look like it want to go. Netflix, look at Netflix. Netflix pulling back. There's Netflix. If we can get under this yesterday's low, this red line right there, look on a entry for a retest right there. A breaking retest. Meta, Meta want to go. Okay. And QQQ is still weak though. I don't like that. Netflix is gonna take off. Yeah, Tesla. Go ahead, Tesla. Do your thing, Tesla. I engine down. If I get under this yesterday's low, I'm on your ass, spy. You get under them yesterday's low. Netflix down 9% today. Ooh. Could have got in at this consolidation right here, but I want to wait till the pre-market. I mean, yesterday's low break. I want to wait till that yesterday's low break. That's that red line right there. That's yesterday's low of the day. There we go. There you go, Netflix. I see you. Meta kind of taking off too. There we go, Tesla. Tesla taking off. Nvidia weak. Tesla getting rejected off of yesterday's high. That green line, Tesla getting rejected. Weak. Go ahead, Spy. Go ahead, get on that yesterday's low. And I'm on you. There you go, Spy. There you go, Spy. There you go, Spy. So sometimes I do pull up my pivot just to see where stocks are going. QQQ weak also. We can get a continuation down and a retest. We can get a retest on that low of yesterday's low on the entry. But y'all see how we had to wait on a move to happen? You know what I'm saying? But if it go back up, you know it's gonna be a chop fest today. Microsoft pulled back again. Yeah, the thing looking good right now is fine QQQ. There you go. Look at that. And we can get a retest of this low of yesterday's low. I'll find an entry for puts. If y'all can hear me, if you can hear me clear, man, drop a one in the comment for me. Drop a one in the comment if you can hear me clearly. Nothing is looking good. Everything is choppy today. This is gonna be a chop day. But kind of thought that because yesterday we had some big moves happen yesterday. Look at SPY. Weak. I might go back down to 600. I can get a Break and retest. We'll see what's going on, man. I'll wait on the break and retest. Ain't gonna jump on that. Spine QQQ was weak though. So everything probably is gonna be weak, which means that was a great exit on Microsoft earlier. NVIDIA, if it holds under, oh, it is holding under that level. Yeah, I'm not playing with NVIDIA right now. QQQ, look at QQQ. QQQ, oh my God. Look at Netflix. I told y'all. Told you what Netflix was finna do. So we're gonna wait and see if it continues this trend. If it does continue this downtrend, we're gonna find an entry on a pullback. But I'm not doing nothing but staying patient right now. You know what I'm saying? Just because the market open don't mean you have to be in a trade. You can wait. Netflix pulling back. Let me see if I can get a containment candle. Oh, QQQ. Look at QQQ. Damn. I'll wait on the retest though. Tesla ain't doing nothing today. So sometimes if it's chopping around like this, first hour or hour and a half, usually 11 o'clock is my time. If I don't see nothing by 11, I'm off. I'm gonna close my laptop and I'll wait till the next day. You know what I'm saying? We got one little small move on Microsoft earlier, but wasn't a really big move. As you can see, Microsoft still pulling back. I just got rejected off of yesterday's low. And there we go. We can get an entry on spot. We'll be good to go. Netflix. So I want to wait on containment candle. I want to wait on any candle that's contained with the previous candle before I get an entry. That is one of my rules. I wait on a containment candle. So I could take that bounce right down spot that's coming down. But I haven't got a containment candle yet, so I will wait. Because it might play on this lower day. And if it play on this lower day, I'll just wait for the containment candle. Once I get a bearish candle passing that containment candle, that pullback candle, there's my entry. But I'll let you know when I see a containment candle. I ain't gonna do you like that. So right now it's retesting that. It's retesting that low of day from yesterday. and it's wicking. So we're gonna just stay patient. We are on the 5 minute candles. It's 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock, I go to the 5 minute candle. And patient, baby. That's the name of the game. You gotta stay patient. Next is giving a pullback. Yeah, next is pulling back. Let's see what SPY and QQQ want to do. Everything is choppy, man. Everything. I don't see no clean moves on nothing. Nothing. And I don't even want to force a trade today when I don't see that. I don't even want to force a trade. Took one small green trade early on Microsoft. And then my runners, my runners got stopped out at break even. I got a small green day. Look, it's going back up into consolidation. Y'all see that? SPY and QQQ is going right back up into consolidation. That's a great sign to not get in a trade. It's a great sign that you don't see a trend. Don't try to make yourself feel like you see something. Trust me, it will happen. You'll be like, you won't be in a trade and you won't be in a trade so long, you're gonna try to make something look good. You know what I'm saying? That's what you don't want to do. AMD is retesting my weekly level. That blue level right there, that's my weekly level. If you don't know how to mark those weekly levels, go back to one of my videos. I'll show you. I'll show you exactly how to make those weekly levels. Those weekly levels are strong levels. So if you see anything past these levels, it's probably gonna be a big move because there's a lot of sellers and a lot of buyers sitting at those levels. We got SPY bouncing off VWAP. My VWAP line is that white dotted line right there. Y'all see that white line? That's my VWAP line. The volume weighted price. And that's my VWAP. Yeah, we got a chop fest today. I don't trade chop, guys. If you see anything stand in between um, these red and green lines, these dotted lines, that's my low market, lower pre-market and my high pre-market. If you see anything stand in between those, it's not gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a chop day. And the market is ready to burn you. The market is ready to take your money when you see the pre-market or the pre-market low not get past. It's gonna be a chop day. Google, Google, you doing Google? What you doing over there, Google? Is Google pulling back? Yeah, this is the chop fest. Yeah, you got. I'll be live trading every day. Live trading every day, same time, 9:25, about 9:25, 9:30 is when I bring my live up. And I don't see nothing today. And when you don't see nothing, you don't do nothing. Simple as that. When you don't see nothing, you do nothing. Well, we're trying to do a little something, something. Look at Apple. Apple came down, got rejected off of yesterday's low, and now it's taking off, but it's still in between that low and pre-market range. So I just don't mess with it, man. Trust me, I've gotten burned plenty of times to know not to mess with it. Meta, Meta, AMD, SPY. Where's Meta? There you go. Meta has been holding this low right here. Meta is passing pre-market highs right now. If we can get a break and retest, hold up, Meta's at all-time highs. I just thought about that. Anything that's almost at all-time highs, I kind of will wait for way more confirmation than I'll wait on anything that's not at pre-market highs. SPY reversing, everything reversing, everything going back up. Netflix going back up. Meta, Tesla trying to go back up. We'll wait. Let's stay patient. Let's see what's going on. But I don't like this chop, man. If we stay in between this chop, I'm probably gonna call it a day, man. The faster you get your eyes off of the chart when it's a chop day, the faster you won't lose no money. Trust me, I know. When you stare at that chart for so too long, when you don't see nothing looking good, just get off. Get off, call it a day, come back the next day. Saving your money and not losing it in the market is way better. I'd rather sit on my money than take a trade that I don't see. I don't see nothing. Meta looking decent, but we keep chopping. I'm pretty sure Meta probably gonna reverse. Let's see. And we are on 5 minute candles. 5 minute candles. So usually if I don't see nothing in morning sessions from like 9:30 to 11:30, I probably come glance at it at 1, 12, 1 o'clock, see what's looking like. But if I still don't see nothing, I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade. And I use 4 steps how I trade. 4 steps. You find the trend. Once you find a trend, you want to wait on a pullback. Once you wait on a pullback, you want to wait for your containment candle. Once you find your containment candle, you want to wait for the next bearish or bullish candle, whichever way you're going, puts or calls. You want to wait for that candle to pass that containment candle. Once it passes that containment candle, then you get in the trade. That is the strategy I use every day. I use the same strategy. And trust me, I've tried different strategies. This the only one that consistently works 75, 85% of the time. You will take some losses. I'm not gonna lie, you will take some losses, but if you win this game, losses are a part of the game. Losses are a part of the game. It be the people that want to quit and then say trading is for trade. Y'all don't know what y'all. I hate trading. It be those people that quit. You know what I'm saying? That be hating on trading. Trading is the fastest way you can make you some money. And I ain't even gonna lie. Not saying you're gonna get rich quick, but you can make some money. Nothing looking good. But yeah, if you ain't know, I've been in stocks a couple years now. I really just started option trading the past. I've been in it 2 years, but I really took it serious this past year. Took it real serious this past year. But nothing is looking good right now, man. Nothing. Yeah. Sometimes when I get off, I be wondering like if I find a community to start, I'm thinking about starting a Discord. If I start a small Discord where we can get active traders in there, you know what I'm saying? Because we can't see every chart at the same time. Y'all know that, right? We can't see the same. Can't y'all can't see the same chart. So I want to start just a small community so we could just build some kind of confluence. You know what I'm saying? Not saying taking everybody trade, 'cause I don't take everybody trade, but just a community of traders. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of traders in this world. Some people scared of it. Some people ain't got no money for it to trade. To be honest, people don't got a couple thousand to put in the market. Some people can't even got them. Don't even know what they want to eat. What they gonna eat tonight? Some people don't even know what they gonna see tonight. You think they think about the stock market? No, but the stock market is a great way to leave your 9 to 5, man. Stock market is a great way. Yeah, we chopping the day, baby. We chopping the day. And that was one of the greatest skills I learned to find that chop and don't trade that chop. Don't trade that chop in the market. Look at Tesla. See all those wicks down at the bottom? That means Tesla is holding that level. So we get a push up, we should have a good move. Tesla trying to go though. Go ahead, Tesla. Let me grab some water right quick. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Hopefully the sound's coming through. Think the sound is coming through. Okay. What we looking like? Tesla is on. Tesla has passed yesterday's highs. Tesla has passed yesterday's high. Now let's see if we can hold. If we can hold right here, maybe we'll get a retest and we can get an entry. Everything is choppy. Meta, Meta retested. Look at SPY. Everything want to go back up now. Amazon taking off, but still hasn't passed those highs. As y'all can see, SPY is passing open price right now at that 606 level. SPY is passing the open price level. Open price is a strong level. That is a good bullish sign right there. Microsoft still sitting at that. But Microsoft, I think Microsoft is at all-time high. Let me make sure. Uh, yes, Microsoft is at all-time highs. No, it's not. It's just at a high that ain't been in a while. It ain't been at this high since July. Last time Microsoft been this AMD still holding a level. Actually, AMD is going down. AMD want to go down. Y'all see that? Buy is getting rejected off of that 200 moving average. Like I said, that 200 moving average, that 200 moving average, I like to explain it like Debo. You see Debo, you're gonna go the other way, right? You see that 200 moving average moving towards, like you see the chart going up right now, 200 moving average sitting there. You see how it's getting rejected off of that 200 moving average? That's Debo. You don't play with the 200 moving average. You let it pass that 200 moving. So it's probably finna bounce back down. Look at AMD. AMD broke, retested my weekly level. Look like it's about to continue going down. But it's still by that chop right there. I want to see a way bigger move than that. And to be honest, you would have been seeing the move by now. 10:30, 11 o'clock, you would have seen the move by now. If the market wants to move today, you know what I'm saying? Meta. Meta is holding that level. Meta is holding Meta is holding pre-market. Let me look at Metaverse right quick. Metaverse might give me an entry. Meta's at highs. I don't play when Meta's at highs. I don't play. When anything that at highs, I don't play with the highs, man. Because you never know when it's gonna reject. I'd rather it break the high, hold the high, and then I'll get in. But nah, I'm not playing with meta highs right now. But let's see what Spot wanna do. All right. So you see how Spot has held that open price level. That's that yellow line right there. That's my open price. And Let's see if we want to take off now. Tesla should. If everything taken off, Tesla should have woken up by now. Not yet. Tesla ain't woke up yet. Let's go, Spy. What you want to do? You gonna pass that 200 moving average or what? And Nvidia so consolidated. Yeah, this probably the chop day of the week. Oh, taking off. Look at Apple. Bounced off pre-market lows and it's heading. Oh, it's headed to 249. It's the next pivot level. We just gonna hold tight. We just gonna hold tight and see. I want SPY to pass this pre-market high and this yesterday's high. That'll be what I'm looking for, a break and retest if we can get it. Day chop, day chop day. Now Microsoft wanna go. Top day, what is it, 10:40 right now? Yeah, man. Usually by 11 o'clock, if you don't see no moves, no big moves, might as well hold it tight. Don't even get into a trade. But guys, well, so we took Microsoft earlier. I think I got 10% on Microsoft. Made a couple hundred off of Microsoft, but it wasn't nothing. Uh, what Apple want to do? Oh man, Tesla still ain't woke up. Damn. Yeah, about to call it a wrap. Till later on. I couldn't come take a glance at it later on. As y'all can see, we got a Microsoft down here at this pullback. One of these pullbacks. Let me see exactly which one. So I think it was this 954 pullback. We got a Microsoft right here, and we got that. Got those three candles right there. Got some profit right there. But when it reversed and came back and hit my stop loss, I got out. And my stop loss was at break even. So guys, that'll wrap it up for today. Tomorrow, join me same time, same place for the session. It's a chop day today, as you can see. SPY rejecting off of that 200 moving average. Just not a great day in the market to be throwing your money in it, man. The best thing you can do is to hold on to your money and wait till the next day. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Clark. Y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe, man.